Good morning, students. Today we are going to see from the seventh sum to find out the concentration of the SO2 in the air in parts per million ppm. The data was collected for the 30 localities in certain city and is presented below. Concentration of the SO2 in parts per million frequency they are given. Here itself class interval 0.00 to 0.004. Like this class interval they are given in the tabular column, and frequency for the class interval they are given. You have to find the mean. Now we are going to find the mean. First you have to write the question concentration of the SO2 0.00 to 0.04. Like this class interval you have to write. This is the frequency. This both from the question only you took. And then class mark already I mentioned, from the upper interval to the lower interval you have to find the difference. 0.004 minus 0.00 means 0.04 only, by 2 means it will be 0.02. so add with this lower interval you are getting this one. 0.04 plus 0.02 means 0.06. like this you will be get that class mark. Mid value of the class interval is the class mark. Okay, and then x minus a. Here itself how many terms is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 terms is there. So 6 terms means you have to choose third term or fourth term. Any one term you will choose. I choose that fourth term 0.14, and then subtract from the class mark 0.02 minus 0.14, so minus 0.12. Same like this, minus 0.08. like this you have to subtract and get that answer. And then x minus a by h. H means it is a difference between the class interval. So 0.04 is that h. So x minus a by h means 0.12 by 0.04. If you are divide, you will be get that minus 3. 0.08 by 0.04 will get minus 2. 0.04 by 0.04 is a minus 1. Minus sign is there. So you will get like this. And then fu next column, f into u. 4 into minus 3 it is a minus 12. 9 into minus 2 is the minus 18. 9 into minus 1 is the minus 9. So you will multiply the frequency and then tabular column of the u, multiply that each term and write that itself. And then add all the negative terms and then write here itself. Add all the positive terms, write here itself. Then you have to add these two terms and then get the answer. Now you are going to substitute that mean formula. X bar equal to a plus summation fu by summation f into h. So substitute that value 0.14 plus this minus is that plus into minus, it will be that minus, and multiply this time 1.24 by 30. Cancel this, 0.041 will come. X bar equal to 0.099. So mean concentration of the SO2 is the 0.099 ppm. Okay. Now we are going to that next sum, 8th sum. A class teacher has the following absentee record of the 40 students of the class for the whole term. Find the mean number of the days the student was absent. 0 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 to 14, 14 to 20, 20 to 28, 28 to 38 and 38 to 40. Here itself the class, if you are checking there itself, the class interval is the difference. 0 to 6 means here itself 6. 6 to 10 means here itself 4. 10 to 14 is the 4. And then 14 to 20 is the 6. So the class interval is not equal. So if the class interval is not equal means you have to choose there itself as a mean method only. You can't use that step deviation and the assumed mean method. Direct method only you have to use. Okay, and that's why that I asked the 8th question. It is that number of the days 0 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 to 14, 14 to 20, 20 to 28, 20 to 38, 38 to 40. Number of the students they are given. Class mark you have to write there itself 3, 8 and 12. Class mark you have to write 12, 17, 24, 33 and 39. Then fx means this class mark into frequency, if you are multiplying you will be get this one, and summation fx it will be 499 by summation f. This is that direct mean method, summation fx by summation f. So you will be substitute and get that answer 12.47. Okay, again I will mention here class interval is the difference, so you can't use that assumed mean method and the step deviation, because h need for that step deviation. So that time h you need means that class interval, difference between the class interval only you will take, but difference between the class interval is that differs here, so you can't choose that itself. That's why you will be use that fx. Okay, and then ninth sum. The following table gives the literacy rate in percentage of the 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. So literacy rate, they are given number of the cities. So 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75, 75 to 85, 85 to 95. Number of the cities they are given. And same like this you have to find the mean. So literacy rate they are given and the number of the cities. Here itself difference all equal. So class mark you have to write 55 minus 45, it is a 10, 10 by 2 is a 5. So add that lower interval 5, 45 plus 5 50, 55 plus 5 60, 65 plus 5 70, 75 plus 5 80, 85 plus 5 90. So then d equal to x minus a, 5 terms is there, middle value you will choose and then get that answer. 50 minus 70 minus 20, 60 minus 70 minus 10, 70 minus 70 0, 80 minus 80 10, 80 minus 70 10 and 90 minus 70 20. Then x minus a by h. Here itself h is that difference 10. So minus 20 by 10 is the minus 2. Like this you will be get that. F into u, this term and then frequency you can multiply and get that answer summation fu. Now you will be substitute that step deviation method. A equal to 70, h equal to 10. So x equal to a plus summation fu by summation f into h. So it will be taken 70 plus minus 2 by 35. Whether you are having that negative sign also, you have to be indicate here negative sign. Minus 2 by 35 into h 10. Then cancel this term, minus 4 by 7. 4 by 7 you can divide by using the normal division, you can get 0.571. So approximately you will get 0.57. So subtract from this term means 69.43%. Thank you children.